Dave Powell, Truth of Genesis. Physicist and astronomer Danny Faulkner is part of your Flat Earth project. Now, from a scientific perspective, what is his greatest concern about the flat Earth issue?
Well, I'm Pat Roy with Creation Quest. Well, Dave, as we talked to Dr. Faulkner, he did such a great job. Dr. Faulkner is an astronomer currently with Answers in Genesis. And Dave, I love his work. He's a real man of God, and he also just loves astronomy. He's a PhD astronomer. And as he took on this issue, basically, he was talking about the fact that, there are so much proof that the Earth is round, right? I mean, solar eclipses, just the problem with the horizon and how the solar system works. I mean, he went into all of that stuff. But you asked what his concern is. I think as a Christian, he is concerned that so many people are buying into this deception. And again, it's taking them away from just believing truth. And, I think, Dave, what happens a lot of times is people feel like there's a cover up by the government, that really the earth is flat and the government is trying to convince us that it's round. Well, Dave, I understand that. We found out that a lot of conspiracies were actually true, right? The government actually does listen to our phone calls, and they actually are logging what we're saying. So I think a lot of people have kind of done the slingshot where they've gone all the way to saying we can't trust anything that anybody says, and therefore when we see the pictures of the round earth, or when NASA goes out and does all of that stuff, or satellites, or all the other evidence, that it's all part of a conspiracy, right? Well, like everything, it's a balance, right? We've got to sort through and say what's true, what's not true. And I think Dr. Faulkner did a great job from the scientific perspective of showing that the earth really is round and that God really did create it that way.